Hey guys, it's Chris at Highland Guitars. You're watching another one of my YouTube guitar building videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video, I'll have earned the honor and privilege of your subscription. In today's video, I'm going to be covering part 8 of my 3D printed guitar build. And what I have to do in this episode is install the frets, which as you can see, I've already done. But this is going to include a unique technique. It's a technique I've never actually tried before. It has to do with rounding over the ends of the frets. I've seen this technique used by other guitar builders, so I thought I would give it a try myself, and we'll see if it works. Spoiler alert, it really doesn't. So let's jump in and get started. Hey guys, if you're really enjoying this video, it would be awesome if you would click that thumbs up button down below. And if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button while you're at it. Both are free to do. They don't cost you anything, and it's a great way to show my channel support. But if you really want to get the most out of this channel, I would suggest you click the join button down below, because as a member, you're going to have access to exclusive content that contains a lot more information and detail than the rest of my videos on this channel. Also, you're going to have access to my Q&A live streams. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, that's all the time I've got for this episode, but in the next episode, which will be part 9 of this guitar build, I'm going to do the fretwork, and that's going to include redoing these rounded ends because I'm not really happy with how that technique worked. I was a bit skeptical and honestly not very optimistic that it would work, but my thought was, if it works, great. This could change my whole workflow. But if it doesn't, the only thing I really lose is a little bit of time. And that's what I'm going to end up losing, is a little bit of time, because I'm going to have to go back in and grind these frets down so that they're flush with the side, and then I'll redress them and make them, you know, that nice rounded bullet end, hot dog shaped, rounded hemispherical fret ends, whatever you want to call them. Then I can do the fret leveling, crowning, dressing, and polishing and all that and get it ready. And from there, it's just going to be a matter of installing the tuners, bolting the neck into the body, installing the bridge. And then we're going to be at the point where I can string it up, and we'll see if this thing actually works. Because as I've said before, and I'll say it again, I'm not 100% sure that this is actually going to work. This neck could fail once it's under string tension. I have no idea. If it works, great. If it doesn't, all I have to do is make a new neck using the same files, but out of a different material, like wood. So we'll see what happens. I'm hoping this will work out, but no guarantees. At any rate, until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Visit eguitarplans.com, the Highline Guitars merch store, and any purchases you make there are going to help to support the channel so I can keep making these videos and sharing these experiences with you. We all can learn. And as always, you can also take your support to the next level by becoming a member. If you click that join button down below, you can become a member and you'll have access to videos just like the one you watch, but with a lot more information and detail in them. So consider that. And until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more guitar building videos.